Hi everyone. As you see in the reference image, let's build our model and how we can first cylinder like so, and maybe 32 is enough. And now in our circle and click E upscale, something like that. Get E in the painted front of the cylinder like that. So like those offset, pick C, will go to points mode and click KK every your like that. Hold on control until you see the red coins and flex. Now, as you see, we need to move first those names. First, the isolate points or see the vertex of killer. So we go to modeling and we're checking label it and select the edge points. So we need to hit that curvature. So deselect these points. You need it in delete on for the index that ends that page and the edge cut one is to see its broken one originally in table formation now zero select leads it will take there to be my find that it is single and see. So you have build on here. We look at sense. See look at the back here. Here we go. So GPU top AB6. So we use that to make 630. Well, yes, we got only you need to add those stacks or select base planets and delete them. Delete that symmetry. Let's make those really outwards symmetry should be their name. So there we go. So now we need to move to make that curvature here with one. So I'm using the shaper as that I so name all slide those points. First one here, second one here. Little is good. So it's simple, fast little airports. And yeah, it's let's submit that. Now go. That's a new activate ghost option. Let's see. Do now and the Alex hide setup right now. And then also they optimize it and send it. There's one we can do and others share either direction keep like that. Others. Oh, safe. Now we need to detach the let's polygons. So like the like that. Our rotation 90 degree. You got another rotation 180 degree. It's so now we need to like those uh, borders. So not big you restaurant you might say so for the smallest and it payback it share that similar that to this mushroom very built easily or at foreign lands occurs into reverse normal PR and second meter. Select the outline of that page with the slow and that. So now we to put some lookup for a so it's similar first point scale in another address you get you it's not our say in on if I any very food well so that yeah issue it did when you look for the price they want the birds to say the foods the farm so is varies so the as the only and the fake is that probably here so that's the very ish uniform maybe the last table there a this design and use shampoo it looks like you either the really need to spend those points a little bit or basis swap it did all info uh, about 32 so see that SDA suppose points see that they or it lets up the surface good as you see speaker service girl see what you have let's test out challenge circle to the little my favorite manager that was great they put it in action at HX at this range be like 55 it that let's see again so as you see we have type of distortion there that's okay when I use the Shankar service editor text it, go to contact and use dash deactivate REC. And that's all. If you like the tutorial, just hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you